Welcome back, guys. Good morning to you, wherever you are viewing me over the world. I will use this video to explain next step in attaining uh, evidences, collating your evidences for national skill qualification, social media communication. So, in the previous video, we've enlightened you how to create a work plan. Now, these are the tips to follow if you want to implement your work plan. Open your work plan and go to learning objective according to your LOS. You can say learning objective by NOS. NOS means National Occupational Standard. In your National Occupational Standard, there is a unit called Occupational Health and Safety, OHS. So what do you need? What are the things to do to achieve this unit in your NOS so that you can generate evidences that match up with the NOS. Now, in my own working plan, I have the following activities. They call the short video safety first in my Arduino lab. You remember that I'm working on Arduino concept. So using Arduino as a to generate my own income building project on Arduino and at the same time training people on how to use Arduino to build a massive project. So the record, I will record myself using a short video. We post it on YouTube and TikTok. So if you look at my previous post on TikTok, I've carried out these activities because I recorded myself safety first in Arduino lab and I post it in on my TikTok page. So if you don't know what to say and you want to do a short record video on this, copy your activities like this. Copy it, say Ctrl C, open ChatGPT in a new fresh section and paste it there. When you paste it, you now instruct the ChatGPT. I want to implement this short video. Write scripts to be write scripts. Let's just say write video script to guide me through the process. So let's say what let me correct this implement. Yeah, let's say what the ChatGPT will prompt. We give you the prompt video what you need to do. ChatGPT replied that video duration should last between 1 to 2 minutes. So we have to make a tone friendly go to show this, and I've tell you what to say in the audio. Look at the audio section, what you need to speak on. Hi everyone, welcome to my Arduino lab. I am Engineer Labia Lateef Olatunde, that is your name in bracket. And today, I want to show you how to keep safety first whenever I am working on my electronic gadget. Thank you. Then you go with smiling face. Then your video 0 to what? To 15 seconds is over. In another scene, come out with this. It has already tell you what to show here, what to say here, audio. So this is what to show there. So before I start any experiment, I make sure that I am safe. That is, you have to wait. If I want to demonstrate, I will wear what? A safety goggle, hand glove, helmet, and make sure that I'm safe. As you are talking, you'll be wearing those things. That means wearing a glass to my eyes, keeping a liquid away from my circuit. Then you demonstrate that. Then I'm making sure my workspace is clean. You'll be demonstrating the cleaning of your environment. So that is what mean by personal safety. When you speak to this, there must be actions in you carrying out those things you are talking. Not that you'll be talking about it. You'll be speaking and then you are not taking action. So wearing glass, then let's say for example I want to demonstrate this. To start, say before I start any experiment, I make sure I'm safe. First, wearing safety goggle, keeping liquid away from my circuit area, and making sure my workspace is clean. You finish that video, post it. That'll be another video. In the another video, always double check my connection before powering Arduino. That is, you have to show Arduino, demonstrating how you double check. No exposed wire, then we demonstrating it. That one can only flow with demonstration. Use a low voltage USB power, then you demonstrate. You demonstrate all those things in action. That is how to make all this short video. Once that is done, that is the objective of doing a short video is achieved. Post it on your YouTube, post it on your TikTok, then you are good to go. Let's move to the second exercise here, blog post. Now, look at the topic he gives to me here. 10 safety tips when working with Arduino components. And I can go back to the same ChatGPT and copy, then paste that thing. Just instruct, I want to create blog post using this title. Create blog post for me now. Then add enter. Then it will create a blog post. So ChatGPT will reply all this. Copy all this now. I'll see you. Let's just finish. When it is done, we copy it. Then I will demonstrate how to post it on your blog. No, you can see list it all the 10 there from the first one. Always work on a clean surface, wear protective glass, double check all the electrical sockets, use paper. So you make this, not that you copy what I'm doing. If you are a tailor, so do it in your own concept. I'll copy all this now down to the keyword, Control C to copy. Then I'll go back to my blog, create post. Click on create post. Then paste the information there. Then remember the topic. I'll come back on the my NOS here, my working plan. I'll copy the topic, go back to the post again, paste the topic on top. You have the topic on the top here. Press the title here. No, not there. Let me copy this. Copy and paste the title here. So when that is done, if you want to add the image within the text. So that means each point you can generate image for it in Terminal CapCut. So you can even use ChatGPT to create a prompt that you will use to generate image in Terminal. Then next, post it. Then confirm the posting. When this is done, you can see we have successfully created what? A 10 safety tip when working with Arduino. So if you want to view what you posted, come to the left corner of your blog. See, you will see view blog. Click on view blog. Then to display your front page view blog. You can see our post is ready. And this is the today's date, and he successfully posted this. The assignment for you, if you have create your own too. When you are done creating your own, copy your URL. After done your assignment, that is, your assignment is to create a safety in your own working environment too. That's the assignment for this blog. You now come down to FedProfa SDC This same post, I want to see the confirmation of your own assignment of your own blog. Click on comments and what? Post on it. So you go down, you will see comments. Then if I have not enabled comment, it will not show. But if I have enabled comment, it will show. Let's see how we can enable comment, post comments. You can say post comments. Then you enable you to post comment. But since I'm using admin console here, so you come down to the bottom of this post, then post comment there. You can, from these comments, you can share to Facebook. You want to share your post to Facebook, then you share your post to so that you can get more engagement. So you do that, click on share, then it will lead you to your Facebook, share it. So this is an example. This is how to share it. Then you share on Facebook. I'm sharing this post on Facebook. Now this is how to share. So you can, but you need to set, wow, it's right there on my Facebook. I've shared it. You find it there. So this is the share button. You can share to Facebook, share to Twitter, share to Blogspot, then share to email. So you can share to apprentice too. So you need to enable this in your blog setting. Or maybe if you don't know how to enable this in your blog setting, we do another video to teach you how to enable share button on your blog. Let's go back to our working plan. I've successfully completed this. That is working with that is the blog post. The third one say create infographic Instagram for Instagram and LinkedIn. I use the same topic up here to create infographics. So now I will come back to my to the same prompt. I'll come to go to the ChatGPT. So and I want to create prompt. So that is, and I will instruct create infographics for Instagram and LinkedIn. Let me combine the two together. So full stop here, add it, and I'll say create I will not let it create infographics for me because I don't want to use ChatGPT to create infographics. So I'll give it now say create infographics prompt. I'll change it to prompt. I only need prompt. I'll add for me suitable for Instagram and LinkedIn. Yes. So it is prompt I want ChatGPT to give me. I'll hit enter button. It will generate the prompt for me. This is the prompt. So he has created the prompt for so you have created this prompt for me, and this is another prompt. Now I will now copy this prompt now. Look at the prompt. I'll copy this prompt, Control C, then open a new tab if you are using system, or add a new browser you are using on your phone. Go to Dreamina CapCut. Here is the Dreamina CapCut homepage. So this prompt I copied from ChatGPT. I will paste it on Dreamina CapCut. Dreamina CapCut is loading. Let it finish loading. So this first post, I will demonstrate this first post. So it has given me the component, and it's going to use a carousel post, then use a clean professional tag. These are the instructions for the prompt. Now we are on Dreamina CapCut now. On the Dreamina CapCut, click on create. Click on what? Create. You see create button at the left right corner of your screen. You can see these are my previous object I created on Dreamina CapCut. I'm using on my social media platform. Now at the bottom here, you will see describe the image you are imagining. What I imagine is the prompt I copy from ChatGPT, Control V. Just paste it there. You paste it there, bam, pasted. Now hit what? Send button. So Dreamina CapCut will now generate the image for me, which I will post on the LinkedIn and also post on the Instagram. Yeah. So even if I want to combine this image and to form video on TikTok, I can generate more of it, like 6 to 7, and what put it on what on TikTok. So this is the first version of it. So you can resend again to regenerate it again, so that we can have at least 6 images. So you pick any one you like that fit okay to your standard, then generate it, because AI tools will enable you to generate your content fast instead of going to Canva, design every time you go there and design. But if you feel okay that every time you want more originality, that is a woman made image, you can keep going to CapCut, CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, so to design your what? Your image. So but to since we will be in need of many images to pilot blog post. So I will just recommend you quickly generate your image using AI tools. Now you download, see this button here, the form of arrow, download. I'll download this, download the second one here, download this third one. Just download any one you feel is good. It has given me series of image, which I believe is good for my. I downloaded out of 8, I picked 6 out of it. So since that is done, so all the images is ready what? Downloaded on my 6 there. You now go to what? Let me go back to work plan. They say you want to post it on Instagram and LinkedIn. You can go to your LinkedIn now. Let's say LinkedIn now. So go to LinkedIn. Now log into your LinkedIn account. Then start posting there. So your LinkedIn account will show up. Post it there, and you complete the unit 1. That's the practical that associated with unit 1. So this is my own LinkedIn page. So I can come here and create a new post. So on my LinkedIn, then when that is done, you are done with the unit 1 assignment. You can fill other people, you can follow people that you are on the same concept, that have the same concept. Don't just follow anybody anyhow, so that whatever those people are doing will be coming to your timeline, and at the same time you will be able to you will be open to many job opportunity that may arise from what or come up on LinkedIn. You post this, so I think say you can create a post there, and then you post your blog there on LinkedIn. So not to elongate this video, we'll talk about how to post on LinkedIn in another video, how to post on Facebook and all other social media. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, what you need to do is this: to cap everything up. Once you create this post, safety in your environment is the same way you will post your work plan. Because I told you yesterday to create your work plan, to post your work plan. If I could remember, let me check if I have my work plan here so that I can post it, because that's supposed to come first. Supposed to come first before you post safeties. So post your work plan first, followed by safety in your work environment. So like my own here, I will copy everything on my work plan. Click on new post. I'll click on new post, paste everything there, paste it this way. I've pasted all my work plan. This is my work plan, everything. So I will now tag it step-by-step structure guide for, you say, I will now recap my title. So call it step-by-step structure guide for social media networking in using using Arduino concept. Yes, it means that's the my own there. Then next thing is to what? Post. So this is what I've been asking you to do since yesterday. Once you finish your work plan, let it be the first thing to post. The next post should be what? 10 safety tips when working with, you put your own concept there. So I've posted step by step on the, if you have done this, if you have completed this assignment step by step, that is your working plan. Let me see how I can still edit this. Let me edit this content. I will open it. Let me open it. I want to end this out. We edit this topic as a work step by step structure, or call it working plan. Let's see. I put it in bracket, work plan, because we call it work plan, then update it. So I'll teach you another thing how to update. I'll update this so that you can name it as work plan. This is your work plan. Then the settings is now changed. I can preview it, how it will look like on the page. Preview it, it will load on another page, so that this is the way it will look. But nevertheless, just publish it after that. Then this is the work plan preview. So then now once that is done, go to the bottom of this page. Go to the bottom and post your URL there. So prove to Skill Development Center that you have carried out the assignment. Go to the bottom of this post. I'm going to the bottom. So say there is no comment. So you have to post your comment. Click on it, post your comment there. Post your comment there. Your comment should be company name. How to comment on the festival skill blog so that it will be easy for us to access your work. Your company name. You remember I asked you to fill survey, and we have captured your company name. Company name followed by URL. Company name, we don't need your name, we don't need your matric number, we only need what? Company. We want to use company to identify you. So from our own database, when we see your company, we can connect, relate it to the entire database structure that to fetch your personal details, because don't want to be relieving your personal details every time you are posting online. So be using your company name as your main identity. Your company name as your identity. Anytime you are comment, you want to post any comment, your company name followed by your URL. Company name followed by your URL. I hope you understand that. So you can that is the method we are going to use. So this is the end of this demonstration we want to show to you today. So we'll post this video on probably on TikTok too, so that you can gain access to it. If you have any questions, put your questions on the comment section on the YouTube, TikTok, and but make sure that your question related to the video you watch. Related to the what? The video you watch. I'm Engineer Labia Blessy for Latunde, Coordinator, Skill Development Center, Federal Polytechnic Offer. Thank you for listening.